Welcome viewers. In this video we will see the control statement available in the C programming. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic control statement. In that we'll see the decision making and branching. It will make the decision. One condition will be there. Based on the condition the branching will be executed. One more control structure is the looping. Looping means that repeatedly the same statement is executed. Loop method. But this is the decision making and branching method. So under that we will see the if statement. In this video we will see the simple if statement and if else statement. These two types we will see in this video. So the if statement, under that the first type is the simple if statement. What is simple if statement? If test condition, within the bracket the test condition is given. If test condition means it will check the test condition. If the test condition is true, it will execute the statement which is given by the open and closing braces. The statements available between the open and closing braces, the statements are executed. Suppose if the condition is false, these statements will not be executed. Only if the condition is true, these statements will be executed. Otherwise this statement will not be executed. It will go to the statement X. Statement X means normal statements as available in the flow of the program, right? The statements available inside the open and closing braces will be executed if the condition is true and will not be executed if the condition is false. We will see the example. If A equal to B, what is the double equal? It will check whether both are equal. The value of A is equal to value of B, right? Single equal means assignment operator. It will assign the B value into A. A double equal to B means it will check content of A is equal to content of B. For example, if both are equal, suppose say A is 10 and B is also 10, means both are equal. Then it will go to the statement. So available in the braces. It will print A and B are equal. This statement we need to write. A and B are equal. Suppose it is not equal, it will not execute this statement, right? So here the else part is not available because it is a simple if statement. Simple if statement means only if is available. In the next type, else is available. So for example, if the condition is false, what we need to do? But here in the simple if the condition is true, execute this statement, otherwise leave it. The else part is not available. So A equal to 10 and B equal to also 10 mean it will print A and B are equal. Suppose A is 10, B is 5 mean this condition is false. It will not print this statement. It will go to the next statement, right? So that is given here. If the test expression is true, the statement will be executed. Otherwise statement will be skipped. It will not skip. It will skip the statement. That is a statement available inside the open and closing braces. And the execution will jump to the statement X. Statement X means normal statements available in a program, right? So simple if means it will check the condition. If the condition is true, the set of statement available inside the braces will be executed. Otherwise it will skip that statements. Then we'll go to the if else statement. So in the previous case the else part is not available. If the condition is false, what we need to do? That is not available. So that is available in the next type, if else statement, right? What is if else statement? If test condition, it will give the test condition is available. So it will check the test condition. If the test condition is true, it will execute the statement 1. That is set of statements available between the opening and closing braces. Suppose the test condition is false. This condition is false, it will go to the else part. The control will go to else part. If it is false, the condition is false, it will go to that. If it is true, it will execute this statement. Right. False means it will go to else part. Again here we are having the set of a statement, statement 2, available between opening and closing braces. Right. So it is very clear. The test condition is given. If the test condition is true, the statement 1 or set of statements available between braces will be executed. If the test condition is false, it will go to the else part Under that again set of statements are available that will be executed, right? So in this we are having the two options. If the condition is true, what we need to do. If the condition is false, what we need to do is clearly given. So the else part not available in the previous case, right? After that, either it will execute statement 1 or statement 2 based on the true or false. Then it will go to the normal statement, statement X, right? That is the normal statement available in the program, right? So we'll see one example for this. That to check the odd or even number, the number is given, that number is odd or even, we need to verify. How to verify if this number is odd or even? It is 10. For example, if you take 10, so 10 percentage 2, the percentage means it will give the remainder value. The 10 is divided by 2. After that, if any remainder is there, it will give. For example, 10 divided by 2 means it will go 5 times. There is no remainder. The remainder will be 0. Suppose the number is 11 percentage 2. What will do? It will divide the number. If any remainder is there, it will return. So it will return 1, right? That 11 5 times goes 5 into 2 10. The remainder will be 1, right? So from this we can easily identify. If the remainder is 0, the number is even. If the remainder is 1, the number will be odd number, right? So while dividing with 2, if the return with the 0 remainder, automatically it is easily we can understand that that number is even number. If the number, while dividing the number with 2, the remainder value is 1, we can see that that number is the odd number, right? So based on this logic, we will go for this integer a and b. A is the given number, the remainder is stored in the number b, right? This clear screen, then print, enter the number. We ask the user to enter the number. Scanf, this is the scanf. Scanf function is used to read the data from the user, right, from the keyboard. Percentage d means it indicates the integer data. Percentage f means floating data. And a, ampersand of a means address of a. It will store in a particular address, right? So we have variable 2 a b. A is the given number, remainder we are going to store in b, right? So now we got the number from the user. B equal to a percentage 2. That is, the given number is divided by 2. This percentage will give the remainder value. The remainder value will be stored in the value b, right? For example, this 0 or 1 will be stored in b. So by checking b, we can able to understand whether it is odd or even. While checking, if the b is 0 means even number, b is 1 means odd number, right? So b contain the remainder of the, after dividing with 2, the remainder is available in the variable b, right? So based on that, if b equal to double equal to 0, double equal to means the b value is equal to 0. It will check what is the value of b, whether it is equal to 0. Is equal operator. Single equal to means it is assignment operator. Double equal to means equal operator, whether it will check both are equal. Suppose if b equal to 0, mean what is the meaning? B equal to 0 mean it is a even number. So it will print the given number is even, right? If only one statement is there, the opening and closing parentheses are not needed. Opening and closing braces are not needed. Else mean b is not equal to 1. B is not equal to 0. It may be 1. 1 means what is the meaning? It is a odd number. Then we'll print of the given number is odd. The given number is odd, right? So we got the number from the user. We are dividing the number by 2 and we'll store the remainder in the variable b. The remainder we got from this operator, percentage. Divided means it will give the quotient. Percentage means it will give the remainder. After that we are checking that remainder. Remainder is 0 means even number. Remainder is not 0, is 1 means the control will go to else part and it will print the given number is odd number, right? So by using the remainder value, we are checking whether it is even or odd, right? So this statement is given. If the test expression is true, statement 1 will be executed, otherwise statement 2 will be executed. So else part, true part and false part both are available. True means statement 1 will be executed, false means statement 2 will be executed After that, automatically the statement X will be executed. So in this video, we discuss the decision making and branching if statement. First two types, simple if and the if else statement. Simple if means only the test condition, true part is available. If else means both true part as well as the false part. Set of statements are available. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.